We both started? Mine's not started.
Yeah, it has.
Yeah, it has.
It is? Oh, okay. Hi guys, this is Nerf Force 101, Nerf Squad. So, here we have Will, which you met yesterday, and here's another one, Nikki. She's our friend, so we're going to be playing a round of
FFA.
free for all today. So,
I'm sorry that our 2v2 is delayed.
yeah, one of our friends that was first thing we were going to do for our 2v2 couldn't make it today, so
Yeah, so we're gonna be
we'll find someone else to
take their place.
take his position. So it's
Ethan.
it's it's all of us. It's free for all, as I said before, and
Nikki lives around here.
Will, there's no bases or anything, but okay, so
No, I'm going to my starting position.
no, don't go yet. So it's one life.
No,
And-
I pretend I'm recording.
Hmm?
I pretend I'm recording.
Well, you're not recording, so okay, everyone get to your starting bases. Okay, one rule, you cannot see each other at your starting bases. So
I have the crappy space. I could get ambushed both ways, down there and up there. I suck.
yeah, but you have to then choose another base because you can't be in plain sight of someone. Yeah, you can't be in plain sight. So you can't be in plain sight of someone. Damn, she's trying to team with me. Stop her. No, that's not happening. Nikki! You can't be in sight of both of us. So you'd have to go somewhere down there or something.
Not inside.
I can see you. Yeah, but we're not allowed to be able to see you or know where you are, really. So you have to go somewhere else. Like, go down there. Will, go down the very back. Nikki needs to go there. Okay. So just getting ready. People aren't listening to each other. Doesn't matter. So, I think if Nikki's down there, my plan of attack will probably be, if you can see down there, I don't think I can get down through there. I'll probably do my best to sneak around the other side there. So just got to shout out, ready? Ready! Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, so here we go. The helmet I'm using is for the helmet cam. It's really annoying, it's orange, so even though I'm wearing a cam jumper, as you can see that, and black pants, so damn, she's down there. Can she see me? I think she can see me. Oh crap, she can see me down there, yeah, so she knows where I am, so it's not gonna have to be sneaky, just need to get in range. When I fell off the log yesterday, it really hurt my foot. Yeah, that's not range. It's not in range. So, I've only got 5 darts today, so. Wish we used airsoft, because then we don't have to be right on top of each other to shoot each other. But I'll go over to that log pile over there. Okay, so I'll just get around the back here. I'll get down so I can get near her. I think she's got a jam though, so I'll get around. Sadly, I've got no cover I can go. Probably just got to run in. Let's see. Gotta get up. Run! 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 Oh, missed, damn it. Oh God. I've got 2 darts left, so. as the same rules as before applies. We can pick up our darts. That was bullcrap. Okay, we can pick up our darts. So hit you! Bet that was a rebound. So crap. Need to flank around. Run, run me, run. Need to flank around. Pick up my ammo. Dang it. Oops, sorry, my.
Hey Nikki, time to go.
Yeah, she's got to go down.
Time to go.
We need to finish the match. We need to finish the match. Yeah, I know. Crap, he's gonna hit me. Coming up. Need to get some ammo. Just grab this ammo here. Oh, I hit you! Got you! Yeah! Oh, victorious. See, you can grab your helmet another day. Okay, as you see, she had to go. So,
See, look.
yeah, he's dead. So, everyone pick up your darts. That was pretty good. So, once again,
Thanks for
if
watching.
you enjoyed that, please like,
And
subscribe.
if you like our helmet cams,
So, say what you prefer, the helmet cam, or the gun cam, what you think looks better. So, you need to check out his video.
get back in.
It'll be there as well. So,
Nerf Force, Bill signing out.
Nerf Force Ethan signing out. See ya.
Thanks for watching and
Bye.
goodbye.